Now the Bolt looks just like sort of a mainstream little 5-door hatchback, but what's underneath this is what really matters. The technology, this battery pack, all the smart work that's gone into the software engineering, the lightweight materials, the aluminum doors, everything. It's not just a car, it's a technology platform.
Well, I think it's pretty clear Chevrolet's committed to electrification. And they've got Malibu hybrids, we have the Chevrolet Volt E-Rev, and now we've got the Bolt EV.
So the Bolt is GM's next step in electrification, a subcompact rocket. The electric motor has way more power than a turbocharged Mini Cooper S. And while the underfloor battery is heavy, the weight is spread out and down near the ground, so the Bolt glides through curves beautifully. The Bolt has more passenger room than a Nissan Leaf or BMW i3, with seating for 4 full-sized adults. The thin front buckets aren't very comfortable, but the rear hatch opens wide and has a hidden storage compartment under the cargo floor. The cargo area flattens nicely. Nerd alert! There's a shift-by-wire system, and regenerative braking allows for one-pedal driving. A huge colored touchscreen spits out information and helps you manage everything. There's wireless charging for your devices, and it's smartphone compatible. For safety, the Bolt has 10 airbags and high-tech features that bring it very close to being a fully autonomous car. So that's the Bolt, an affordable, long-range EV with reasonable charging times and its own network of DC fast chargers. That would be the Chevrolet dealer network across Canada. This Bolt, it's not a promise, it's a reality.